Hello, today I want to show you how we can be able to allege the results of a student of a class in order. So you can see as this first row, this is the position 2, this is position 18, position 7, position 9. So I want to arrange them as the performance of the student. Then this is how to do. So first of all, we highlight the fields that we wanted to format. We wanted to format these fields, those fields. After we highlight, then we hand on to home. This is data. To data, you see this button here. Then click on that. Then you can say sort by. So we want to sort by total. This is the last column here, and then we want to order from largest to the smallest, so that the one with higher marks should be at the top, from the largest to the smallest. Okay, and you click on OK. You can see it did not work as expected. So let's go again. Click on this one. Click on not total, that is total marks. I made a mistake when I chose on total, but it is total marks from largest to the smallest. Can we arrange the position of the student according to the order. Then we have there's these two who have the same number. So we want to order selection such that these two, we can arrange them according to their names, that is alphabetically, so that Cynthia will be the first one, then followed by Gloria. So we highlight the same table as we had done, then the total marks, then add another level, then sort by name, and then A to Z. You can sort by A to Z so that they can be arranged alphabetically after arranging them according to the total marks, and click on OK. So you have arranged all the students according to the position. Then also you can notice that the last column, the numbering, is not in order. So to make it go in order, we select this column 30, and then go to sort from smallest to the largest, that is A to Z. So you select that, then you say on the continue the selected selection. So then say sort. So we have sorted the numbers, and that's how easy it is to sort out the student according to marks or according to performance. Thank you. Have a nice time. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button.